Uh, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Z-Main, the one and only banlab person. Anyway, so it's for them niggas that want to sound like Tory Lane on R&B type shit, you know. And you guys, let me know when I should drop this. These niggas, they don't know that shit I went through just so I could try to blow. And just to stay afloat, these niggas, they don't know. They don't know the pain I fucking undergo. Just to get this dough, they wanna trash me in my fucking face, even though I'm on the road. I stay with Max 11's fucking case in case they wanna go. They wanna hate me, that's their fucking case, just know I'll never fold. I don't give a fuck. Anyway, yeah. You guys tell me, bro. You guys tell me when you want this shit. So anyways, that sounds like some R&B Tory Lanez type shit. Yeah. Anyways, bye guys. Have a good day. You know, just stay safe, bro. I love y'all.